Good evening to one and all.
Good evening, madam.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Thank you.
So, good evening to one and all. We have assembled here for the 10 days program on digital skills and AI tools organized by Sri Vidyodaya College of Education, Viduppuram, Tamil Nadu, along with Akman Foundation and Seva Academy. I like to thank all the members, faculties members, our founder, director of Sri Vidyodaya College of Education for giving this opportunity to organize with Akman Foundation and Seva Academy. So today we are going to the session. Yes, good evening to all. Good evening. So today we are going to see about Word document and Google Docs. Today we are going to see about how to prepare Word documents and Google Docs. Mostly all of them will be using Word document. Let us go fastly and we will be seeing the other part of Word. Okay, not basic, some advanced things. Okay. So let me share the screen. Okay. Yes, today we are in the second day of this digital skills and AI tools. Today actually we are starting the class. So see, first our topic is to create a Word document and learn how to use Word document. So whenever you open a Word document, what is the first step? You go to Start button, you click All Programs. There you can see Microsoft Office and there you can click Microsoft Word. See, there is Start button. I think my screen is shared. See, can search in the search tab. It is near button, Start button. From there you can open Word document. Okay. Easily we can search in the search tab. We can type Word and we can open this Word document. So in this way we are opening the Word document. So first step is to know about creating a blank document. So how to create a blank document? After you have created, you go for file. You can go for file and you can click blank document. So your blank document is available now. So go to file and create blank document. It is available there and you can open this blank document. Okay. So what is the next step? Now we have created a blank document. You can see that title bar is available. Ribbon is available. Ribbon contains tabs and tools. So what we say as tabs in ribbon? These are tabs and tools in ribbon. You can see Home tab, Insert, Design, Layout, Preferences, Review, View, etc. So these are the tabs available in the ribbon. And you can see the white space is the typing area, that is the document area. Let me zoom still. Do you want to zoom still? So these are the tabs where available. We say tabs in ribbon, Home tab, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Review, View, etc. Okay, thank you. And the space where there is a white space, there you can type it. So what is status bar? Status bar is available below the Word document. You can see the page number, word count. You can see it below your screen. There are page count, words. Whenever you are preparing a document, they'll be asking you to prepare in 200 words, abstract 150 words. In that case, you can see that how many words you are typing. You can see here below there is word count. If I select this, see this, I'm selecting this paragraph. If I select this paragraph immediately, here you can see the word count as 29 of 1111 words. So totally this document contains 1111 words. When I select this, you can see that there are 29 words in this selection. So in this way, you can see how many words there are. For abstract, they'll be asking 150 words. For introduction, 200 words. In that case, you need not be counting. You just select it. See below the screen, there are word count, and you can find it, how many words are there. Whether you want to increase or decrease, you can decide accordingly. Okay. Yes, you can't view. You can't view. Okay, let me take a screenshot and share you. Okay. For taking screen, see, I'll be teaching another one tool. Snipping tool. It is available in in your system already. In the office, it will be available. See, this is snipping tool. I'm clicking this snipping tool. So snipping tool, it is available here. See, snipping tool. Can you see this snipping tool? Where is that? Oh my God. Okay, I'll again click, it is available. Snipping tool. Okay, now I want to show you the what is that status bar. Let me go and take this screenshot. Otherwise, you can take with print screen also. You can take print screen. So wait a minute. I'm teaching you another one tool here, snipping tool, where you can select the area which you want. In print screen, all the areas will be selected, but in snipping tool, only the area that you want can be done. Okay. Snipping tool, go to new, and I'm snipping it. See. So this is available now. See, you can see the status bar below the document. You can see page 2 of 12. I'm sorry. I selected pen, so it is there. So I want to remove this. Okay, let it be, eraser is here. Okay. Can you see this? Can you see this? Page 2 of 12. 1,111 words. English India. Accessibility good to go. Can you see this? Okay, it has fit. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay. So this is the item that is available in the status bar that you can't view. So I just went to snipping tool. I just clicked that area and I am showing you. If you want to save this, you can go and save this picture. For PPT presentations, if you want to snip a small area, you can do like this with the help of snipping tool, and you can save this with the help of save button, and you can save wherever you need. In the downloads or in the D document, somewhere you can give a name and you can save it. And you can copy it and paste in your documents. So now I have told you about snipping tool, that it is already available in your system. Printer screen actually takes the whole picture of the screen, whereas snipping tool will do which area you want. Okay, you can go and explore this snipping tool. It may take in the shape of rectangle or some other circle type. Everything will be available in the snipping tool. You go and explore. Okay, now let's go. So what we were seeing about status bar. Status bar says you about page number, Word document, and language. You saw that there was English India written on the picture what I have showed you. So this is a status bar. Okay, now the next topic is basic typing rules. Basic typing rules. So what you would do in the paragraph, you will be, first of all, while using documents, we will be typing something. There is a space bar to leave space between the words. I think all of you know that. And there is a backspace to delete characters on the left side. And use delete to remove characters on the right side. So this basic things every one of us know, I think. So we will be going to the next one. How to save your document. How to save your document. So see here, I'm creating a document now. I want to save this document. I'll go to File and I must give a name for my document. In that case, I'll give a Save As. I want to give a name for my document. So I am giving Save As. I'll go to my PC. I'll go to this PC and I'll select a place where I can create a document or save a file. So there are a lot of things, but I want to save in the D drive, sorry. So I'll go for browse. So if you go and browse in the left hand side, again, you can see, I'll maximum is it. There is new folder D. There are downloads, desktop. There is a new folder D. If you click this PC, I think my internet came stable now. If you click this PC, there are more drives here. E drive, T drive, etc. Mostly we won't be saving in C drive and documents because it is not safe to save your files in the documents and as well as the C drive. Okay, so wherever you want, you can open this drive and you can save it. So I already have so many folders. I want to save in my digital skill and AI tools folder. So I'm opening this and I'm giving this file name as demo file Word document. Demo for Word document. And I'm giving save. So now it is saved in the D drive inside the document, inside the folder digital skills work and AI tools. So it is available demo Word document. So if you find it very difficult and if you want to save in your existing folder, what you can do, you can go directly to this folder. So I'm going directly to digital skill and AI tool workshop. Okay, I'm clicking on this and I'm going to new and I'll click Microsoft Word and I'll give the name as demo Word. It is very easy. Select the folder, go and create the file there itself. There you need not give save as etc. Just rename the file when the file is open and you can have it. I'll demo Word 1, I'll give it because we have already demo Word document. So I'll give us 1. So this will be very easy. We need not go and save it as we must find the folder and drive, etc., etc. Just go to the folder which you want to save and open it, right click it, you go to new, whether it is a PPT or Word or anything in this available or Excel, you can create, you can give a name. It is it is selected, you can give the name of your file using, you can save it. That's all. You need not go for save as, etc. It is very difficult, I feel. Okay. Any messages are there? Let me check. Is no messages. Okay, let us go. Let us proceed. So this is the save as and save. If the file is already, if you are working on the file already, just you can give save and the shortcut is Control S. If you are creating a new file, you must save as in a name and you can save it in folder whichever you want or drive whichever you want. Opening an existing document, you can see you click file. There are a lot of documents existing and you can click on it and open the existing file. Okay. And if it is not available in this file, you search for more documents. Otherwise, if it is not available in the more documents also, see there are a lot of files. You go to the exact folder or drive where you have done and you can find the existing document. So don't forget to remember the file name. Okay. Okay. So what is the basic text formatting? That will be attractive and readable. So you know that go to the home tab. Go to the home tab. You can see here there are many styles, font styles. We say these as font styles. What is this? Font styles. Can anyone tell me what is the font style mostly academic institutions are preferring to prepare our documents?
Times Roman.
Yes, very good. Times New Roman. Others, which one do you like just for interaction purpose? Yes. Which font do you use?
I use Times New Roman, ma'am.
Yes, Times New Roman is the common style whichever the academic institutions prefer. And sometimes I like this font. Many people will be telling that I like this font. And what are the other names of the font you people use? Just for interaction, to remove this monotone. One minute. You please give your messages in the chat. I'll be coming. One second. Okay, very good. Yes, any other font? Any other font which you like the most? Any other? How many of you are here? Yes. Arial, yes. Arial documents are prepared with Arial. Yes, yes. I mostly use Algerian for the title. I like Algerian. So it will be very nice for the topic. See, check this Algerian. This one is Algerian. Let me show you how it is. So I'll select this title. For title, this Algerian will work very nicely. See, Algerian. This is Algerian. Okay. You can use this for titles. Keep it nice. Okay. So mostly we are using Times New Roman, etc. So you can see again the home tab. The size of these letters are 13.5. The size of these letters are 13.5. So mostly can you say which number they recommend? Meet your reports in which number? Yes, number. Usually academic institutions prefer you to submit. I couldn't see your messages. Yes. It is 11. Yes, size. I mean size of your font. Yes, 12. Gauri Shankar is right. Mostly will be recommend to submit with Times New Roman with 12 font size. Okay, very nice. So remember, you must submit your documents with Times New Roman and number 12 font size. It is idle. Okay, for bold, you can go for Control B or just select your document like this. Select your document, go for home. There are options like bold, italics, underline, etc. So you can make it bold. Also bold and italics is like this. If you don't want to bold, you can remove bold and make only as italics. And you want to underline. Underline means you can select this give underline you underlines you select part will get home tab that you have italics bold extra. Control plus I italics Control plus U, underline. Okay. So text alignment, next one is text alignment. We want your text bar options here in the tab. Okay. Let me open your document. One minute. Okay. Journey. So here is, I'm sorry, I'll do another document. So this is one document. Can you see this Word document? So it is not correctly aligned. See, it is not correctly aligned. Can you see this? Yes. So I want to make alignment. Okay. So what I must do, this abstract is not aligned properly. See this right hand side. You can see. So what we must do, yes, any one of you, what do? Yes, if you know what can I align this? Any one of you, please. Are you messaging? Yes. Please. What I must do? "26 people are here. No one is answering. Are you there or not? Please. If I get disconnected, please stay. I'll be joining again. So I was asking you, did you see this document? I'll share this document again. Yes, yes. I don't know what. Yes, sir. Server problem, sir. I'm sharing the screen. So I was asking how to align this paragraph. How to align this paragraph. What alignment I must do to make this document beautiful. Yes, Anshu, you are very right. So we have to justify this. Use justify. Many of you know, those who do not know what you must do. So the whole document is what is a font style here? Calibri. So what I will do, I will select, I'll take Control A and select the whole document first, and I'll make it to Times New Roman. Times New Roman, and the recommended font size 12. Okay, I will make it this, and I will select this paragraph, and I'll go for home, and I'll give justify. That's all. Your paragraph is very neat now. Okay, so and I'll give now save. Just to save button. Okay, so this way you can align your work. If you want to align your paragraph to left, sometimes if there is a need, you can go for home. You can see here, these are the justify buttons, sorry, alignment menus here. This is, if you click this, it is left aligned. It is justified actually. So it is actually left aligned. So, okay. It is actually left aligned. So it is indicating that. So I want to make it a center means give it the center. Sometimes we are preparing invitations. We want our content in the center. In that case, you can use the center button. We want right alignment. You can do it. Go for right alignment. And if you want to make it evenly distributed all your letters, you give for justify. Okay, so in this way you can do it. So what is the next one we want to learn? Bullets and numbering. So how to give bullets and numbering? So in a paper we have introduction, first abstract. We need abstract first. So some of the titles where you want to give bulletin now, for that purpose I'm typing. So there is grammar check in your Word document. So it will be indicating with red line. You click on this, you can correct your word. Grammar check is available in the Word documents. Okay, conclusion. So I want to use this bulletin here. What I must do now, I will select all this and I'll go for Home tab and I'll go for, there are many types of bullets here. Go for that and you can select any style, whether round one or this or square or any flower like colorfully or this swastik type, arrow mark, tick like. Any bulletin, whichever you want, you can select. Okay. So if you don't want miss, you can remove it and go for undo. You want to give numbers, there are a lot of ideas here. 1, 2, 3 in the bracket, Roman letter, capital letter, small letter with single bracket, A, B, C, again small letter, or 1, 2, 3, the Roman letter, small letters. So there are a lot of options, you can do it. Okay, whichever you want. If you don't want, you go for undo. You need not go and type each time one like this. 1, 2, like that. No need. You go select everything, give the bullets. That's all. Okay. Okay, next what we are going to see. We have seen about bullets and numbering. Next, inserting pictures. So inserting pictures. Yes, any one of you, how to insert pictures? Come on, tell me. How to insert pictures? Yes. Yes, speak. Any one of you speak. How will you insert picture for your document? Yes. Use insert button. Anju, you are right. Use insert button. So we have in the tab another one message. Insert column. Okay, let us go for this. Yes, sir. Insert button. Go for insert tab. Click on this. There are many options to do. So it is in the tab. So it is in the tab. See here. There are a lot of tabs available, is it not? Go for insert. In the device. In your system. It is available in your system. Okay. There was one message. Okay. insert. When you click insert, oh yes, picture we have to select from device. Browser, I haven't browsed directly from the Word document. Okay. So I'll be saving it in the system and I'll be using directly. There is an option, but I haven't used. So insert picture, I can select from the device. Okay. So insert, go for insert. There are a lot of options for you. You can insert a picture, shape, smart art, chart, screenshot, etc. Now let us go for picture alone. So see pictures, this device. So we can insert picture from this device or we can browse. Let me try this online pictures as asked by one of the participants. I usually don't go like this. I actually save it and I'll do it. So I have to sign in with OneDrive and I must remember my Gmail account, password, etc. to sign in. Mostly we people are using Gmail. So OneDrive mail, and I don't remember now. In that, if you have your OneDrive, you can go for your OneDrive and log in with your Gmail and you can do it. Sorry, with that mail ID that is asked by OneDrive. It is, I think, Microsoft email ID it will be asking. So let us go for insert from this device, insert picture from this device. So there are many pictures available. Any picture that is available in the downloads. Yesterday we took this picture, so it is available. This is about Scratch programming. So we have clicked this. We have inserted this picture. If you want another picture, again go for insert, go for picture, this device. It must be available in the downloads or the drive, wherever you have your images, you can go and take it. Okay. The D drive, I don't have images. So it is not showing, see, because we have selected pictures, it is not available. It is not available because in this D drive, there are no images. In the desktop, see, it is showing some pictures. If it is available, it will be showing you. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can see in the downloads, any other picture. So while preparing a brochure for our next program, I went to Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly and I just took an image from for our upcoming conference. I took this image. So you can insert your image like this. If you are preparing a content on any topic, the picture that is related to the topic can be pasted here. Inserted. You can copy and paste as well. Let me go for that option. I'll go for this downloads. I'll go for this downloads and find a what is that image file, PNG file. So a PNG file, and I'll just right click on it. I'll copy it and I'll come here. And I paste it. So this is another picture. Can you find the difference? This was an inserted picture with the help of tab button. This is a copied image from the this is, I think my voice is audible now. I just went to the downloads where I had an image I just copied and pasted. You can either copy, sometimes copy will not, in that case you have to do it from the browser, and then you must have it in your drive, any drive where you are saving, and then you must insert image. Okay, so insert image. So you can insert your image in the reports, projects, posters, etc. So inserting table. How to insert a table? So go ahead. Yes, I am back. Yes, I am back. Yes. So I was telling you about inserting tables. So I was telling you about inserting tables. So how to insert a table? Go to Word document. I'll go to a new page. Okay, see here. Now you want to insert a table here. You can go to the tab and you can find insert button. There you have table. So here you can see there is many option for you. If you click on this, am I audible? My internet connection is okay now? Yes or no? Yes? Something wrong. Yes, yes. Okay, insert table. I don't know, it is not coming. Insert. So here you can choose how many rows you want, how many columns you want, you can choose here. Otherwise, you go for insert table. Insert table. Okay. The cursor was in the picture, so it was not showing. Okay, sorry. So in the insert table, you have a lot of options here. See, if you click on this, 1 into 1 is available, only one row and one column. Here, there are 2 columns. Here, there are 3 columns, and here 4 columns. So here, if you click on this, there are 2 rows. Here, 2 rows and 2 columns. So whichever you want, you can create and for until this. Until this, you can create. There are 6 rows and how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So if you click on this button, you have 6. Wait a minute. Okay. I click on this. You have 6 rows and 7 columns. Otherwise, you can do manually. Manually, you can do it. Each time you can go and do manually. I'm creating with first two columns and 1 row. And if you want to increase, means just go and right click your cursor near the end of the end of this table and give just enter. So you'll get another row and column. Row. Okay, see, just click, right click here near that table. You can create. Otherwise, you just have your cursor, go for insert inside the table, and you can give insert column to the right, insert column to the right, left, right, insert rows above, insert rows below, or you can insert cells inside. Whatever you want, you can do it. I'll give you one example. Insert rows, columns to the right. So you'll get another column. You want this side, you go and click here, have your cursor on the first column, insert columns to the left. It will be available. So you can do manually. If you want many number of rows and columns, you can do it. You can insert above, below, left, right, wherever you want. Okay. This is about inserting table. You can do manually, or it is readily available for 6 rows and 7 columns that you can use it. Okay. Or you can do it manually, nothing, no problem in it. Okay, next. Page setup. So what is page setup? Yes, anyone of you please tell me what is page setup? In which page setup you are submitting your documents mostly? Yes, please come on, tell me in which setup you are submitting your documents. What is the most frequently used setup for submitting your documents? What is the name of it? Yes, please tell me. While you are submitting the documents, in which setup you are submitting? Layout. Yes, which layout? Sorry. Portrait. Yes, Gauri Shankar, you are right. Yes, which layout? Anshu? What is the name of it? In chart, landscape. Some of the documents need landscape. In that case, if you want it, we want our documents horizontal wise, we save it as landscape. Otherwise, portrait. Normally, we use portrait only. In rare cases, we use landscape. So go for layout. So how to do this? We can go for layout and you can see orientations here. You can see orientations. In that, you can select whatever you want. In case they are asking you to submit in landscape, you can select. So where it is available, go for layout tab. Click on orientation. You can select portrait or landscape. Is that okay? For page setup also, this is the option. Whether there are any other option for page setup? For printer or anything, or if you want to change our page setup, this is the option. Maybe it is for printer setup also. Okay. So let me change our document and show you. Let me change one document and show you. This is one of the document that is available in the portrait. Okay, it is available in the portrait. This document, let me go for layout. Let me go for orientation and give it as landscape. See, your document has been changed to landscape. It came horizontally and the size of the document has changed. Okay. If you have your content in horizontal wise, you can go for landscape. So I'm going for undo. Again, it is in the portrait model. Okay. Yes, I think it's clear. Let's go to the next thing. Portrait means vertical. Landscape means horizontal. So next one is page size. Next one is page size. Yes, tell me. What page size you people are using? What is the size of the page you people are using mostly for taking print? For print. Yes, Lakshmi Nivas, it is A4. Very nice. It is A4. Okay. So that you can go for this again layout and you can click on size. So you can see there are a lot of sizes available. While you are creating a book or sometimes book means you can change your size into A3 or A5. Mostly a small book means if it is not A4 size, otherwise you want to create a book in small size, then you can go for and it is half of the, you can use this A5 for creating library small books. They are in the A5 size. Okay, you can select the size of your page. So now let me select the A5 size. You can see a difference, I think. Let me check A5 size. So it has reduced its size. See, it is very short. See, the page has been reduced. So I'm going for undo. You can see that it has resumed to A4. So where you can do it, you go for the home tab, go for layout. You can see the size. Size here, whichever you want, you can select. If are legal, executive, A3, A4, A5. A3 is bigger than A4. Okay. A4 is a perfect size. We commonly use A4. A5 for making books and A3 for still large documents where you want your page size very big. In that case, any official documents sometimes will be taken in the A3. For books, short books, A5, and normally we use A4. Okay, next let us go for the, actually it is coming by default, I think, otherwise where it is available. Actually for me it was readily available. Let me go for this. It's available. The review tab. It is available in the review tab. Spelling and grammar. See, it is available. So we can click on this. It is available in the review tab. It is available in the review tab. So here, after I have clicked, we are finished checking your selection. You want to check the rest of the document. Yes. So it is giving a red line for analyzed. Can anyone tell me why it is in red line? Why analyzed is underlined with red? It shows error, but it is not error for us. It is not error for our spelling. Yes, yes. But we use only yes, analyzed. We use yes. Sorry. Z will be used in some other countries. We usually use changed to analyzed. So any other mistakes? No mistakes is there. So it is not showing because it is a corrected document. So there are no mistakes. If there are mistakes, it will be showing. So where is the spelling is available? In the review tab, you have spelling and grammar. Okay. In the review tab, you have spelling and grammar. Okay, we'll go for the next thing. So printing document, you all of you know. You can go and go to file tab and give print. Go for the file tab. You go for the file tab. You click print or Control P and you can select this print there is a picture or icon like print. You can click on this and you can go for print. In case you have a printer, you must give the name of the printer here. You must select the printer name. So I must select and you must give. Okay. So, okay. If you click on this print, see here. Sometimes if you don't have PDF with you, Adobe PDF is not available, you can use this print setup to save your document. So it will be saving this document as PDF. If you don't have, you need not go for the online source and convert your Word document into PDF. You can go and use this print option. You give your file name and you can save it as PDF document. Save. Kindly check with your Windows. If you want to save your documents as PDF, and if you don't have that option in your system, go for file and check with your system. Go for print, click print, and you can save it. So it is opening as PDF format. In this way also we can save our file as PDF. Okay. So go give print and you can save. Already it has saved, but again it is showing. If you want to save, you can give your file name, and I'm saving this in the new volume. Don't forget where you are, in which drive you are saving and which folder you are saving. That is very important. And what is the name of the file? Okay. If you are forgetting that, you can go for recent documents and you can find it. See, quick access. Here for me, my recent documents are in the name quick access. Here, whatever we have done previously today is available. So recent files will be available. If you forgot where you have saved the file, go for quick access or go for recent files and you can, recent documents, sorry, and you can find your file. Okay, so whenever you are saving your file, don't forget the drive, the folder and the file name. There was one message. Microsoft PDF, Control P, American and British English. Only some of the American and British English differences. I don't know exactly, Gauri Shankar, but many of us use analyzed A and Z will be a problem in some of the words. According to my observation, use analyzed, yes, somewhere they are using Z. Okay, I don't know exactly. Thank you, Gauri Shankar. Okay, but we can use yes. We mostly use yes only. Okay, next. Control N for new document. While you are in a Word document, you are in this Word document, I want another document to be created. I just give Control N. There is another new document. Okay. And you can save this document as you wish. So Control plus O, open file. Control plus S, save. Control plus C, copy. If you are in the PDF, if you are opening the PDF file and if you are giving Control N, I think another PDF only will be opening, and so another PDF is it works only for Word document. Let me check. So Control N. Yes. If you are already working in a Word document, you can give Control N so that a new document will be created. Control S, save. Control C, copy. Control V, paste. Control Z, X cut, and Control Z undo. These are the important keywords. Keyboard shortcuts, sorry. Now, what we can do in the Word document. See, in the layout, you have margins. So in the margins, you can see there are lot of items available. Normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirror, office, etc., etc. Okay. So whichever you are clicking, your document will be according to that. Let me open one document and show you this journal. So yes, I think I am audible to you. Let me open a document and I'll show you these margin details. I'll go for layout. Layout. I'm clicking on these margins. Actually, this document is in normal. So it is already showing that normal. In the top, it is 2.54 centimeter. In all the sides, it is 2.54 centimeter. Top, right, left. Yes, thank you. Top, layout, margins. So this document 2.54 centimeter distance. Okay. The top we have 2.54 centimeter gap. The left we have 2.54. The right and bottom everywhere. Sometimes you want your content to be in a single page. So in that case, you want to reduce your space in the right, left, top, everywhere. You can go and click this narrow. See, if you click this narrow, yes, any doubt? What is that? Okay, can you see the difference? If you want to do a document in a single page, you can go for this layout and you can click narrow. For this purpose, you need not go for a computer center and ask that man to do that. Okay. So whichever you want, you can select from this and you can do it. Okay. So I'll go for normal again. So it came to the normal position. 1 minute. See this. In this model, normal model review of literature, there are 2 lines. When I'm going for this narrow model, you can see we have many lines in the review of literature, about 2, 4, 7 lines has been increased. So in that case, you can go for narrow. If you want your content in a single page, and you need not go for the double page, you can use this, and any other options can be used. Narrow, moderate, wide, whatever format you want, or you can custom your margins as you wish. So you can custom your margin. There are options for customing. Whether you want to left, right alignment, totally your document to be right, everything can be done. You can go for layout and do it. Okay. Now, nowadays, we are preparing e-documents. How to do this e-documents? How to do this e-documents? Nowadays, we give it as soft copy. We give a soft copy only. In that case, if it is 200 pages book, and it will be very difficult for us to scroll. Yes, if it is a 200 pages ebook and you have different content in different pages, it will be very difficult for the student to scroll and read the document. In that case, what you can do? So you can prepare a content. How can you can prepare this content? Okay, see here, we will preparing a content page now. Okay, so I'm going for home. I'm going for home, and see there are many tabs here. Heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, etc. This is normal. So I'll be using this heading 1 now. Okay, I'll be using this heading 1. We're creating a e-document. Okay. Okay, now I want table of contents. For this, how many pages are there? 28 pages are there. For this 8-page document, I want link for that. So what I'm doing, I'm preparing content. How I'm preparing a content? I imagine this is a 200 page and I'm doing it. I'll go for home. First I'll keep my cursor near abstract. I'll go to home. I'm giving heading 1. As soon as I gave heading 1, you can see this heading has changed to a blue color. Next, I'll go for introduction. I'll go for home. I've kept my cursor already near introduction and I'll give heading 1. So this time also the title has changed to blue color. I'm going to review of literature. I'm keeping my cursor in front of this topic and I'm going for home and I'm clicking on this heading 1. Okay. Okay, the same way I'm doing for everything. I'm keeping cursor in front of the title. I'm going and giving for heading 1. Again for methodology. Heading 1. Here, let me give for methodology, I have 4.1, I give heading 2 and 4.2 also I give heading 2 because it's methodology I'm giving heading 2 and for tools I'm giving heading 2. Okay, it's over. We are going for the next one. I'm giving heading 1. I'm keeping first step. I'm keeping my cursor before the title. I'm going for home. I'm giving heading 1. Okay. So let me complete with this. So I'm giving heading 1. So for 6 titles I have given this heading 1. Let me go on my cursor in front page. So I'm going for home. I'm going for So I'm back again. I'll share my screen. I think I left. Where I lost connection. What was I telling you? Please tell me so that it will be easy for me. Where do I leave? Please tell me. Can you hear me? Yes. Heading 2, yes. Okay, so I was telling you about heading 2 where I gave heading 2 in the fourth topic in methodology. I had many subtopics here. So I gave heading 2 here in the 4th title alone. Okay. Okay. Now I have told you about heading 1 and heading 2 only. So I have given for a heading 5. sorry, for the topic 5 and sixth one I have given item analysis, I have given 6. For 6 items I have given heading 1. Okay, now let's see how it works now. Now let's see how it works. So now I'm going for references. You can see references tab. Okay, can you see this references tab? Here there is a reference tab. And I'll go for table of contents. In the table of contents, it asks me a model. I'm just see here until this one is not available. The whole paragraph has been selected, the heading. Wait a minute. You can see that I have not typed introduction. I have not typed in the content, review of literature. I have not typed anything. I'm sharing your screen and showing. So it, while going and selecting a table of contents in the references, it already tells us that introduction is in page number 1, review is in page number 2, and you can see that methodology, you can see that there is 4.1, 4.2, 4.2. So there is error in item analysis 6. Please ignore it. It has wrongly selected. Well, okay. Actually, 6 items. So see, if I click this development of this motivation scale, see, if I click on this, it is telling you control plus click to follow link. Control plus click to follow link. If I click on this, I'll be directly going to page number 3. So it is page number 3. So if you have 200 pages book, if you click on this content directly, okay. Okay, let me give for the others also. I have not given for 7. I'll give heading 1 for 7, for 8, heading 1, for 9. For giving this, I must select, for giving this, I must keep my cursor before the title. I must go for home. I must give heading 1. As soon as I give, it will turn into blue color. And I'll go for home and I'll give heading 1 for the 10th item and for the 11th item. Heading 1. So, okay, it's done. References. For references, I'll give heading. Okay, for everything I have given. Now I want to change my table of contents. Now I want to change my table of contents. As there was an error also in the 6th item, there was one paragraph. There was one error. I want to change it. So let me go to the first page. See, I'm scrolling now to go for the first page. So we'll be finding difficult each time to find a content in the document where it is about 200 pages. So what I'll do, I'll click on this table and I'll go for reference. I'll go for table of contents. No, sorry. So here, I want to change my table. My table has some error. In item analysis, there is one paragraph unnecessarily. Okay. So in the 10th part and 11th part, it is available in the bold. Let it be. Now I want to update the table. Don't get confused. Don't get confused. I want to update my table as I have given numbers to 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 7, 8, 9, 10 are not available. By default 10 and 11 is available. So I want to update my table. I just give update my table. It is asking me whether you want to update page numbers only or update entire table. So I want to update entire table. There are 7th, 8th, 9th items are not available. So I want to update. I'll give update entire table and I'll give OK. Okay. So I don't know why this is selecting. Actually, it won't happen. Okay. Now it's okay. See, this is the updated table. This is the, actually, it will be the model for us. So there are 9 pages for our document. If I want to go to 9th page, let me go and keep my cursor on the 9th page. Immediately it is showing you. Actually, you can see in the screen, I am in the page number of 1 of 9. Let me click references. It will go directly to references. It goes directly to references. I did not scroll or anything. In this way, you can prepare documents, e-documents, if it for about. It is your wish. Pages or more than how you can have this for any number of pages. For e-documents in future, if you are creating e-books, etc., if it is about 200 pages, 100 pages, or 50 pages even it is 25 pages, it is our choice to have this kind of link in front. So in the first page, we have created table of contents. The first page, we have created table of contents. Let me show. So let me delete this again. And tell you again. Okay, so all the topics that is in my document and heading 2 for this 4th one, because it has many subtopics inside it. So I have given. So what I'm going to do is I'm going for references. I'll go and keep my cursor first in the front of the page. Actually, as I have given already, it is asking me to update the table. Let me tell you again, once again. So I'll go for references and I'll select table of contents. And it is asking us any model. You can select any of this model. Let me go for the table 2 now. So it is available. Some problem in the document. So the result is coming here. You can delete it. You can save it. Okay. See, in the 4th one alone, you can see 4.1, 4.2, it has subtopics. So in, okay, some of the books are like this, e-documents are like this. If the model is like this, and if you keep your cursor on this, if it shows control plus click to follow link, you can just press control and click and you can read the documents. Okay. So let me tell about the Google Docs also. How many of you know about Google Docs? How many of you are using Google Docs? Yes, please message me. Do you know about Google Docs? Yes. Yes. Only see message. Sometimes it is app. Yes. Other 25 people, 24 people, please message me. How many of you are using Google Docs? Yes. Okay. So many of you don't know about Google Docs. Many of you don't know about Google Docs. Yes, Gauri Shankar. Do you know? Are you here? And yesterday one Viscom student was interacting, whether he is available today. Viscom student, are you there? Gauri Shankar, do you use Google Docs? Yes, Adityan is here. Aditya, I am Viscom student. Okay. It's 3 times I have used. Valdaris, Beatrice Valdaris. Can you unmute and tell your good name, please? I am not able to pronounce it correctly. I'm sorry for wrongly pronouncing.
Beatrice Valdaris.
Yes, please.
Beatrice Valdaris.
I'll
Beatrice.
call you as Valdaris. It is easy. Okay, I'll be telling you Valdaris alone. Is that okay? Okay. Okay, let's, it is 8 o'clock. Let me teach you. Okay, no problem. So Google Docs is nothing but it is like using someone asking, ma'am, for first day, is there any assignment? No assignment today. Or I may send your assignments through mail today night. Any small work I'll be giving you today night to work on Word document. Okay. I'll send you to your mail. No
Okay, ma'am.
attendance today. No attendance today. No form today. No attendance today. Today I have not yet prepared any form. So no attendance and no form today. Okay. Assignment, please check your mail. If possible, I'll be sending you. Okay. Just for practice purpose. Okay, now let's go for Google Docs. For 10 minutes, I'll be giving you a demo on Google Docs. Rest we can continue tomorrow. Can you stay in the meeting for 10 minutes? I'll tell you about Google Docs. Okay, Femina, Aldaris, Adityan, Yashoda ma'am, Shankaraya sir. Yes, okay. Okay, let me share the screen. Let me share the screen. Okay. So I have opened my Google account. Okay, this is my Google account. I've already logged in with my Gmail. You can see on the right side. You can see in the right side, I have already logged in with my Gmail. If not, you must go to the Google and log in with your Gmail. Okay. First step is to log in with your Gmail. Now you can see this page is available in your screen. Okay. See these 9 dots. Yesterday itself I was speaking about these 9 dots. If you want to create a Google Docs, you need not go and type here like this, Google Doc. You need not go on type like this and go for Google Docs. Again, it will be asking you to enter from the website. Easy way is to click on these 9 dots. Click on these 9 dots. Here you have this docs. Can you see this docs? Docs. Okay, I'll click on this. I'll click on this. So see, so there are many files that has created already and it is available. Okay. Yes, this is Google Docs. Okay. There are already many files that we have used here. Here we can go for blank document and create it. So here it is a blank document. See, there is no difference between Word document and this Google Docs. There is no much difference between this Word document and this documents. See here I can name my file. Name of the I have named my file as demo board. Okay. See, the same way where the same as Word, you have file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, extensions, help, etc. So see, what is the difference between Word and document means some of the features may be differently placed, but document is nothing but working online. Working Word document online. Okay, that is the difference. And what is the other difference is that it is available 24/7. It is available 24/7. See here. See here, can you see this? Advantages of Google Docs. It is free to use. Actually, it is free to use. It is saving it automatically. Whatever you are typing, you need not go and give Control S for your document. It saves automatically and it is accessible from anywhere. How it is accessible from anywhere? Can anyone explain it? Anyone got this point?
We can log in with our Gmail account and we can access it.
Yes, wherever we are, if we have a device, if we have internet connection, and if you remember your password, you can log in wherever you are and you can use this Google document. If you are typing a document in a Word, and what you have to do, if you want to take the document to your college tomorrow, you have to save it in a Google pen drive, or you have to save this. Mostly, many people will be saving to our Gmail, etc. So it takes two jobs, typing the word and saving it, and you must transfer to this Gmail, and mostly we will be doing that. In Word documents, it is not necessary. If you can type in the Word document, live as it is and live your home peacefully, and you go tomorrow to your college, you have a system with you from your college, just log in with internet connection and with your Gmail ID. Whatever you have worked in the previous day, the document will be readily available and you can start working again. So that is a main benefit of using Google Docs. You need not save the file and carry it with you in a pen drive or transfer it to your Gmail and you can use it. It is Google document in your college or in your office or in your anywhere, and you can do it. That is the difference between Google Docs and Word document. And next one is real-time collaboration. There is an option here to collaborate. You can invite for collaborate. Here, see, there is a share option. You can share your documents to any of your people, okay, and you can give them, okay, so that they can view this file, okay. So there is one option like this, okay. So see, this is the main difference between a Word document and using. See, but what is the problem is you need stable internet connection while working on a document, this Google Docs, because everything is online. It is like working in online. You need stable internet connection. if you are not having, you better go for the Word document, type it, and only sharing, for sharing purpose, you need internet connection. Working in Google Docs, working throughout the document needs internet. If you anywhere, you can go for Google Docs option. Otherwise, what you want to do is you better type it in the Word document, and you can save it or copy and paste in this Word document. At that time, you need internet connection. Only a few minutes or seconds you may need. If that option can be done. So let us, now we are in the Google Docs. We are in the Google Docs. See here, there is a file where you can see many menus available, new document, open existing file, make a copy. You can make a copy of this file. You can share with others. You can publish to web. You can share it to email. You can download. In download, you have a lot of options here. You can download as Microsoft Word, PDF, or any other document. We will be mostly using Word and PDF only. You can rename. Others are unnecessary for us. You can make it offline in case if you want to work. If you want to view, sorry. So there is language also. You can select the language. Whichever language you want, you can go and select it, type it. And there is the page setup option also, landscape. So these are all available in the file. In the edit, you have undo, redo. Undo, redo will be available here in the menu itself. Paste, find, replace, view. View options are there. Insert options are there. You can insert whatever you want, image, table, blocks, chips, signature, link, drawing, etc., etc. Everything is there. Formatting is there, bullets, numbering, header, footer, page number, page orientation, etc. Paragraph style, align, indent. So like Word document, all the options are available. There is word count. See, here there is one important feature, voice typing. Voice typing. So we can type our document instead of typing. So okay, we can speak our document, it will be typed. Okay. Let me go for English. So English, US, UK, English, UK, English, India. Let me start typing. Let me click on this mic. It is asking permission. Allow while using this. Okay. Hello. Hello, everyone. Good evening.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So I am speaking actually. I'm not typing. Are you listening? See, I'm using voice typing in Google Docs. I'm not typing. Let me switch on my camera first. See, hello. I'm voice typing. I'm doing voice typing. See, my hands are free. I'm speaking and it is typing. Okay. This option can be used in Google Docs. It is very easy to create documents easily in a minute. Sometimes there will be error. You must correct it. You must check whether the typing is going correctly or not. Sometimes because of poor network connections, there will be a mistake in your voice absorbed by this typing machine. So there will be, so please check. Okay. So everything is done only by my voice message. Can you see this? This option is available only in the Google Docs. Are you listening? Can you get my point? Yes or no? Yes, typing is very difficult, is it not? So here see, sometimes it will get off. You must again click on this and must stop typing. Okay. Now I want to type in my mother tongue. I want to type in my mother tongue. My mother tongue is Tamil. My mother tongue is Tamil. Let me go for Tamil. I'm selecting this Tamil. I'm selecting, it is not yet selected. Okay, now it's working. See, now I'm going to type. Okay. I'll keep my cursor down first of all. Keep your cursor wherever you want. I've selected Tamil India. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த உகாதி நாளில் உங்கள் அனைவரையும் இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில் காண்பது மிகவும் மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்கிறது. Okay. Yes, how many of you are Tamil here? How many of you are Tamil here? Okay, Lakshmi Nivas Subha. Some people know Tamil. Okay, very nice. So I just gave a voice. I have just spoken to this mic and it has typed. Okay, see, it is very nice, no? So if you don't know, and if you don't know to type in Tamil, because it is very difficult to. Okay, okay, you are from Meghalaya. Happy to see you, Rani. I can call you as Rani, and it's very, very happy to see you from Meghalaya. Thank you. And you can use that your language also here in Google Docs. It will be available. You can go and search on this, and you can type in your language also. Okay, if it is available, you can do it. Okay. So here in English, it is very easy for us to type, but in Tamil, it is very difficult to type. In that case, you can go for voice typing and you can give your voice and you can type it. Okay. So these are the things available, and font, see here, font style, font size is available, color of the fonts are available. You can select the font and you can give colors. Okay. All the things that are available in the Word documents is available in the Google Docs. The main difference is that you can work this Google Docs with internet connection, and you can go and log in with another device and you can work on it. That is the main difference. Yes, yes. Yes, Lakshmi Nivas, yes. How to choose? Yes, voice chat. See here, let me close everything. Listen 1 minute. So there are a lot of tabs available, and I think it is available in the tools. In the tools, there is voice typing. Got it? The tools, there is voice type. So here,
Ma'am,
voice typing is now. Yes. Yes.
ma'am, Adityan.
Yes, Aditya, please.
தமிழ்ல பேசலாம்ல மேம்?
பேசலாம்.
ஒண்ணும் இல்ல மேம், இது வந்து இப்போ ஓகே தானே? இது வந்து கூகுள் டாக் யூஸ் பண்றதுனால நம்ம வாய்ஸ் போடுறோம் இதுல. யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னா விண்டோ பிளஸ் ஹச் கொடுத்து
வேற ஆப்ஷன்
வந்து நம்ம டைப் பண்றோம். நம்ம ஸ்பெல்லிங் தெரியலனா கேக்குதா மேம்?
சொல்லு என்னப்பா? சொல்லுங்க.
இப்ப குரோம்ல ஏதோ ஒன்னு டைப் பண்ணனும்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க மேம். குரோம்ல டைப் பண்ணனும்னா நம்மளுக்கு ஸ்பெல்லிங் மிஸ்டேக் வருது, எனக்கு டைப் பண்ண தெரியலனா விண்டோ பிளஸ் ஹச் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம லேப்டாப்ல இன்பில்டா ஒரு இது வரும், வாய்ஸ் சாட் வரும். அது நீங்க வந்து அந்த கர்சர் தூக்கி கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டு நீங்க பேசினா இதுவே ஆகும்.
Okay,
இது ஒரு நோட்டிபிகேஷன் மாதிரி இது எல்லா லேப்டாப்லயும் இன்பில்டா வருது மேம்.
okay, okay,
ஓகே மேம், தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
okay, okay. Chromeல போயிட்டு
இப்பதான் ஒரு விஷயம்
okay,
டைப்
let
பண்ணல.
us
இது குரோம்.
tomorrow. You tell me tomorrow. நாளைக்கு சொல்லு.
ஓகே,
நாளைக்கு
ஷூர்
நம்ம
மேம்.
லைவா பண்ணி பார்ப்போம். Okay,
ஷூர் மேம். ஓகே
okay.
மேம்,
Thank you, Aditya.
தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
Thank you, thank you. So Aditya is suggesting another method. Okay, for typing purpose, let us have a demo tomorrow. Okay, so are you thorough with this? It is like a Word document. So what you need is you want internet connection for typing in the Google Docs email account. Go for this 9 dots. Let me come. We are in the Google homepage. I have logged in already with my Gmail. So let me go for this 9 dots. Let me click on this docs. So a document will be opening. And you can work on it. So again, blank document. Click on blank document. You can have a name for your document. Select this, the untitled document. You select this untitled document. You give any name for this file. It will be saved. You need not give Control S or anything. It will be saved automatically as you are working in the internet with the help of internet connection. So all the other features are normally available in this Google Docs as Word document. And only thing, another one important feature is you can share this document with any one of them so that they can go and edit your document and they can use it, they can read it, everything. With the help of this, you must give their Gmail and you must give done so that they'll become a collaborator for you and they can work on it. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for your kind patience and listening. And I'm ending this session today. Any other doubts? If there is no doubts, we have no feedback or attendance today from next class. And tomorrow I'll be informing whether there is a class or not in the WhatsApp because tomorrow is a travel day for me. If I could reach my place at 6:30 or 7 o'clock, I'll be informing you in the group or email. So please check your email for tomorrow's program. Okay. And tomorrow's program, this week, Saturday, we won't be having our program. If possible, if you people are free on Sunday, this Sunday, can we have one session? Yes or no? Sunday, are you free? We can have one session in the evening. If you are free, otherwise, we can have in the weekdays itself. In the evening, 5 to 6:30, because Saturday is not possible. Tomorrow, it depends upon my traveling time. Okay. Everyone are comfortable with Sunday. Sunday will be having one session. Surely there will be having we will be having Sunday one session at 5 to 6:30 p.m. And tomorrow I'll be informing you in the group. Okay. And in the email whether we have a session or not. Please be following your WhatsApp group and Gmail. Okay. For any updates. Please be in touch with your Gmail and WhatsApp for tomorrow's program, whether it is available or not. Okay, thank you for your understanding. So if we are not meeting tomorrow and Saturday, we'll be meeting on Sunday for the next title. Thank you very much. You can leave the session. Thank you very much. I hope the session was very useful to you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Shankaraya, sir, for your interest towards this program. You are listening patiently from the beginning. Thank you very much, sir. And you are giving some suggestions in between. Thank you very much.
Sir, I am also, madam, repeating my documents and just like a revision class.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, thank you, Femina. Thank you, Lakshmi Nivas. Thank you very much for your feedback. Thank you. Yes, you can leave the session. Thank you. Thank you, Yashoda ma'am. Thank you. I don't know who is this. Odikai Malai. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You can rename so that I will know your name. Odikai sir or ma'am or student. Whoever, thank you very much. Yes, you can leave the session. Thank you. Good night, all of you.